Nakakapanira po ng puri yun. How do you spend 1.8 billion pesos? Aabot pa po to ng 2 bilyong piso.
Ito na nga guys, 1.8 billion guys, travel expenses po ni Speaker Martin Romualdez guys. Question nga po sa committee hearing po ng congressman. Pili tinatanong po ni Congressman Suarez si Kaire kung sino po yung source niya at bakit alam niya yung mga travel expenses ni Speaker Martin Romualdez. Maniniwala din ba kayo guys na gumastos po si Martin Romualdez ng 1.8 billion o baka daw paabutin pa ng 2 billion ang travel expenses niya nga nagastos? Naman tinatanong dito ni Congressman Suarez kung saan nanggagaling yung source niya or employee government ba siya or nagtatrabaho sa isang kongresista. Panoorin po natin yung buong detalye kung paano po tinanong ni Kaire kay Congressman Suarez ang 1.8 billion na travel expenses ni Speaker Martin Romualdez. Bago natin panoorin yung video guys, meron lang pala ako i-promote guys, Coach MB26 Vlogs guys, please subscribe guys para notify po kayo sa mga bagong upload po namin. Ano pang inaantay natin guys, panoorin na po natin ng sabay-sabay. Let's go!
I mean, you were so quick to mention 1.8 billion, but now when we're talking about specifics, now you're starting to become, for some reason, evasive. So, my question is, when did you see your source?
Mr. Chairman and Honorable Suarez, sir, kahapon lang.
Kahapon kayo nakita?
Because he texted the message. During the time na ini-interview namin si former Secretary Greco Belica.
Monday, nyo pinalabas yung show.
Tama po.
Tapos kahapon lang kayo nakita?
Kasi kahapon lang siya available. He came from the province during a travel.
Okay, so kailan naiabot sa iyo yung dokumento na sinabi mong pinagbasihan mo 1.8 billion?
Ipinakita niya lang po, maraming mga documents yun. Hindi
kailan
lang po.
Kailan?
Kahapon.
Hindi ko maintindihan. You said on Monday night, was that a live broadcast or a tape?
Broadcast.
It was live broadcast where you stated that the speaker spent 1.8 billion.
As a question, please, sir.
Yeah, no, it was a statement. We can debate later whether it's a statement, but okay. You mentioned 1.8 billion on Monday. Ngayon, yung nagpadala sa'yo, nakilala mo na matagal, government employee ba siya?
I will only proceed to give details about the source when it is clarified by a legal competent advisor.
It's a yes or no?
May I request, there are lawyers in the room?
Yes or no, Ka-Eric?
Because when I state kung saan siya connected at ano siya.
No, is this a government employee or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
As a government employee?
Yes.
Okay. So, now does the government employee work in Congress?
No further answer about that, sir.
No, it's yes or no. Does he work in Congress?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Because in your statement, you said, based on my source in Congress, gumastos si Speaker Martin Romualdez ng 1.8 billion pesos. Sinabi mo, based on my source from Congress. And you just said now that he is not an employee of Congress.
Lower house? No.
Huh?
Congress is two. Senate and lower house. Not from the lower house. Congress is composed of two houses. Lower house and Senate. So wala po sa House of Representatives.
Did you undergo a KBP seminar? Are you a verified member of the KBP, Ka-Eric?
Personally, sir, I am not a registered kapisanan ng broadcaster member, but I do not see it as a requirement for me to be a broadcaster.
Yeah, so therefore, you did not undergo the seminar on the Code of Ethics.
But I read it.
Pagdating sa mga unconfirmed reports shall not be aired unless there is an immediate and urgent need for the public to know about them, such as when the public needs to be warned of the possibility of an imminent danger.
3 beses ko pong binalikan yung episode na binabanggit ni Honorable Suarez. We did not conclude, we did not insist that gospel truth yung information. We are going to verify from Congress, from the Office of Speaker Martin Romualdez, and we are calling out that kind of notice because we know that we need to follow up on the report and information, but because it was aired as a context reference to the interview of former Secretary Greco Belica pertaining to DNR expenses on travel, biglaan po siyang lumusot doon sa pag-uusap na
So,
yun.
there's responsibility on your part, Ka Eric. Kasi kung may ganyang kalaking numero, dapat tinanong nyo muna yung House Secretary General. Ang laking number nun, ha?
Yeah, 1.8 billion.
1.8 billion. Kung sino mang ordinaryong mamamayan ang makakarinig mula sa telebisyon na gumastos ang speaker ng 1.8 billion pesos, nakakapanira po ng puri yun. How do you spend 1.8 billion pesos? Siguro hindi na umuwi yan sa bahay. Tapos sinabi mo pa, dinagdagan mo, at base sa source ko, hindi lang 1.8 billion to. Kasi kung isasama mo ang entourage, aabot pa po to ng 2 bilyong piso.
Kayo guys, maniwala ba kayo guys na gumastos si Speaker Martin Romualdez ng 1.8 billion guys? Di kaya sinisiraan lang sa ni Ka Eric para masira yung pangalan ni Speaker Martin Romualdez? O totoo ba na gumastos talaga siya ng 1.8 billion? Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video nito guys, mag-comment lang po guys at mag-subscribe, like at maraming salamat po. Thank you!